First, there were computers. Then came the iPod, iPhone, and iPad, the usual Apple stuff. And guess what? They were also working on a car. The Apple car never hit the streets, but they were and maybe still are cooking up something behind closed doors. Check out all the details below to find out what the Apple car was, or maybe still is, all about and what it might have looked like. Is the Apple car real? Rumors about Apple developing a car known as Project Titan began way back in 2014 when CEO Tim Cook reportedly gave the project his approval. Even Apple's co-founder, Steve Jobs, wanted to design an iCar. In February 2024, however, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported that Apple canceled their car project. This was the clearest tip to date that the car was real and might one day be released. Then, in May 2024, news broke that Apple might partner with electric vehicle firm Rivian. What this means isn't really clear, though, and the information could be bogus or confused for something else like an Apple CarPlay agreement. This is all to say that the current state of the project isn't clear, but we do know the company's desire to create a car became more real over the years. Here's a look at some of the progress that's been made on the Apple car. In 2015, the New York Times reported that Apple contracted Torque Robotics to retrofit 2 Lexus SUVs with sensors in a project known internally as Baja. In 2016, Apple filed a patent for a system explaining to a passenger what the autonomous vehicle is about to do. In 2017, Apple was granted permission from the state of California to test self-driving cars, and it was quoted by Bloomberg that the company was focusing on autonomous systems. In 2018, 27 self-driving vehicles were registered with California's DMV. In 2019, Apple acquired Drive.ai, a technology company that uses AI to make self-driving systems for cars. In 2020, the car was reportedly set to make its debut in 2021, with that source citing suppliers in Taiwan that were planning to scale up production in Q2 2021. In 2021, Apple was reported in talks with Toyota and Korean partners for the production of the Apple car to begin in 2024. In 2022, Apple added 10 drivers to its autonomous vehicle program and hired a former Lamborghini executive to lead the design of its electric vehicle. In 2023, Ming-Chi Kuo surmised that the development of the Apple car seems to have lost all visibility, and doubts that the car will enter mass production even within the next few years. In 2024, Bloomberg reported on Apple's plans to delay the car's launch until at least 2028. LifeWire's release date estimate. If Apple wants to make their car idea happen, we could see a revival by 2028 or 2029. But it'll only happen if they can strike a deal with Rivian or another car company. Apple car price rumors? The only way to know what the Apple car could have cost is to look at what other companies